Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So wedding season is approaching, and if you're a bride, you want to have some inspiration on how to do your nails for your big day. I have 5 nail designs that I want to show y'all. So this video is for brides who are more traditional, but for brides who don't just want the classic French tip nail. But I am still using whites and neutrals and a little bit of silver and gold in there. So of course you can do your wedding nails yourself or send these designs to your nail tech. Or I do make press-on nails, so if you're interested in me making a press-on nail set for your wedding day, graduation, prom, whatever, I will leave my information in the description box. Please contact me and we can get you started on your nails. So I did these nail designs on my natural nails, which are actually quite long right now. So these can be done on extensions, but they also can be done on short nails. Some of the French tips can be like full cover nail designs, so there's a variety of different options. So I want to do a part 2 of this video. Leave me a comment below if you would like to see some more traditional wedding nail designs or more fun, colorful, non-traditional wedding nail designs. Leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see so I can do a part 2 for this video. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. For look number 1, I'm doing a marble design. So you want to have a sheer white base for this one. So I'm going to paint one thin coat of a sheer white base. Then I'm taking white gel paint and drawing random lines. So you want to take a clean brush and just smear the lines out and then wipe off the excess polish on a paper towel. So be sure that your brush is dry and just smear the lines, and when you're happy you can cure your polish in your UV light. To add a little bit of sparkle, I'm taking these flakes, and I'll list all the products I use in the description box, but I'm taking these flakes and placing them randomly on the nail, and it's going to stick to the nail because of the inhibition layer. So now I'm taking that sheer white polish again and just painting that on the nails, curing it, and then adding a little bit of gold foil or gold flakes. This is an optional step. I just think it adds a little bit of elegance to the nail. And after I'm done, I'm going to apply a top coat and cure, and this design is finished. Design number 2 is more of like a lace French tip. I'm going to start off by outlining the nail with a white gel paint. And this is a look all in itself, so if you want to leave it like this, you can, but I'm going to take it a step further. So after I have the shape of the French tip, I'm just going to do a crisscross design to mimic lace. And I was going to leave it like this, but I decided to add a flower at the end, and I didn't record that part, but really simple, just a 5-petal flower, and I put a little bit of gold gel in the middle for a little bit of extra sparkle. Design number 3 is a little bit out of the box, but very on trend right now. It's a French tip nail, but it's like the crocodile style nails that are really popular right now. So instead of the bright colors that people typically use, I just used a neutral color to give it that more I don't know, make it more acceptable for a wedding, if you will. But I think these are super cute. So I'm starting off by drawing a white French tip. Then I'm curing that in the lamp and applying a blooming gel. So you don't want to cure the blooming gel. You just want to go straight in with your color. And I'm taking a neutral gel polish color and just dropping that into the wet blooming gel using a dotting tool. And it's going to spread out a little bit. And once you're happy with the final look, just cure it in the lamp. So the fourth design is just a swirl design. I saw this from By Chloe Nails on Instagram. It was so cute, I had to recreate it. So I'm going to start off by taking a white gel paint and just, you know, creating this swirl in the middle. And then I'm just going to create another swirl on either side and just fill it in and just have a little bit of that kind of neutral base in the background showing. Most of the nail is going to be white, but it's going to look like there are, you know, those neutral swirls on the nail. I didn't describe that well, but you can see what I'm doing in the video. And for the fifth and final nail design in this video, I'm going to do another French tip, but it's kind of like a wavy French tip. So I'm just drawing the initial shape with these white gel liners and then just filling in the rest of the French tip. After I cure that, I'm going to be taking transfer foil gel. So it's just like a clear gel, and I'm going to paint that on the edges of the nail, cure it in the lamp, and then I'm taking a silver transfer foil and just sticking that on top of that sticky transfer foil gel and applying a top coat, and this design is done. So just a different take to a French tip with a little bit of silver. Oh, and for this one, it's super important. Before you actually apply the foil gel, you want to remove the sticky inhibition layer or apply a matte top coat to the entire nail before you add the transfer foil. If you don't do this, then you're going to have silver sticking to your entire nail. So either wipe off the sticky inhibition layer with alcohol or apply a matte top coat and then go in with the foil gel. This is the final look. These look so good together. So if you want to be really bold on your wedding day, do a skittle of a variety of different nail designs. So the most important step is to apply cuticle oil once you're done to put moisture back into your nails. I'm using my favorite cuticle oil by Cuticle Buddy. I do have a 10% off discount code that you can use. I'll leave that information in the description box, but if you use code Teri10, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So I really hope you enjoyed that video. Again, let me know what you would like to see for part 2 of this video, more traditional designs or more non-traditional wedding designs. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.